Something growing in the fridge today, I don't know what it is. It's bringing tears to my eyes. There's an old milk carton with a picture of the missing Lindbergh kid. It's been there quite a while. I'm cleaning out the fridge, cleaning out the fridge. I'm cleaning out the fridge. There's fungus growing in the fridge today. The light bulb's on the fritz. Something's drawing flies. If you can tell it's meatloaf by the color of its skin, then mister, you're a braver man than I.